Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech MK470 keyboard and mouse set. In this video I'll show you the product preview. Firstly, take a look at the keyboard. In order to start it, firstly release this white cover. And now remove this plastic, thanks to which we can install the batteries. Here we've got the dongle, thanks to which we can connect our devices to PC. Here we can find serial number, and that's basically it about keyboard. This keyboard does not have any turn on, turn off switch. Simply insert the batteries and you are ready to go. Now take a look at the mouse. It's typical slim Logi mouse. In order to start it, remove this cover, insert battery, put the cover back, and now switch this button to on. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.